Hi, Form 4, Chapter 4, Video Number 2 OK 吗？习惯吗？好吗？这样子的 online video OK 吗？ So, a lot of parents give the feedback actually they like it so much. And some new parents in my tuition center lah, they call me and they tell me they want to join the tuition for online tuition only. They don't want to go tuition center. 这种是新的啦，他没有来过补了。And they say online tuition center will be better. So don't know 啦，我不会啊。for me 不错不错，我自己觉得很不错啦，自己做自己觉得很不错。OK， 来 ，second title: The relationship between the arrangement of electron in the elements 某某元素的 electron arrangement。How they affect the position of element in the periodic table？ 将影响它在这个表格的位置呢 ？So how we arrange the elements into the table？ OK， 将把那些元素啊排进这个表格里面呢 ？OK，start now， 可以开始了。Number one, group。什么叫 group 呢 ？OK，the vertical columns in the periodic table。vertical 就是直的意思。vertical 就是直 ，column 也就是这样子了，一排排一行行我也不会，我知道它直直罢了，前面的直，这个就叫 column。Copy。Okay, so what's mean by group? Group will be the vertical columns in the periodic table， 就是这个表格里面呢，一条一条直直的，就叫 group。And how many group we have？ 我们到底有多少 group 呢 ？18， 全部有18组。OK。But if you are a common student， 你读的是 general science， they just having 10 group only 啦，他们只有10组。But the 10 group will be using the Roman number， 用罗马数字。你们用的是阿拉伯的18组。OK，but almost the same 啦，差不多一样的。So this is what we call group。OK，so what's mean by group？ 什么叫 group 呢 ？How to determine where is the element put into what group？ 它应该放在哪一组里面呢 ？OK。The number of valence electrons indicate the group where the element is located. So the number of valence electrons 就是那粒元素、那粒 atom 最外面的一层 electron 的数量 ，indicate the group where the element is located. So 那粒元素要放在哪一个 group 就看它的 valence electron 的 number。OK，if the valence electron is 1 or 2， 如果它最后一层的 electron 只有一粒或者是2粒。Then the group number is equal to the number of valence electrons. So 它的 group number 就等于它的 valence electron 的 number。什么意思 ？Don't know. So we look at the example. 我们看表格过后，你就明白了。Okay, lithium having the proton number 3, that means lithium having 3 electrons. Electron arrangement will be 2.1 2.1。So valence electrons 它最后一层的 shell 的 electron will be equal to 1. Sodium 2.8.1 and the valence electron equal to 1. Potassium 19, okay, 2.8.8.1 and the valence electron equal to 1. Okay, so if the number of valence electron is equal to 1, then they will be in the group 1. 它们就排在 group 1里面了。Okay, beryllium 4, the proton number is equal to 4, so the electron arrangement will be 2.2 2.2. Valence electron 最后一层的 shell 的 electron is equal to 2, so valence electron is 2. Magnesium 2.8.2 2.8.2 and the number of valence electron is equal to 2. Okay, calcium 2.8.8.2 and the number of valence electron equal to 2. So if the element having the number of valence electron 1 or 2, then the number of valence electron will be equal to the group number 啦。So 这些元素它们就在 group 2。OK， and next 不止这样子，还有再来。If the number of valence electron is 3 or more than 3， 如果最后一层的 electron 3 or more than 3 超过3 ，then the group number is equal to the number of valence electron plus 10。不过它的 group number 不再是等于3 ，OK？The group number equal to the number of valence electron plus 10加10。this sentence 这一句话如果没有错，你必须抄了 ，OK？ And remember, for this theory, 上面的那3句话 they just can be applied for the element with the proton number 1 to 20 only. 上面的这3句话只可以用在1号到20号的元素罢了。So after 20 号过后 they may be having different concept, or different method. 其他的排法，其他的不一样的东西了。And that one I don't know, is up of our syllabus. 他们不在 syllabus 里面了。Okay, so what's the meaning of this? 这一句话什么意思呢？来看看。哇 ，very big table， 好大的表格。Okay, solid magnesium until argon, write up the electron arrangement. 你先写出它的 electron arrangement。如果还不会写就糟糕了，明白吗？你要补第2课了。那我拍第2课的 video 给你好了没有 ？Set. So the number of valence electron 1、2、3、4、5到8，对不对 ？OK， 搞定了。我等你一下啦，你自己写先。And how about the group number? Okay, the first sentence 刚才的第一句话。If the number of valence electron equal to 1 or 2， 如果 number of valence electron 等于1或者是2。Then the group number will be equal to the number of valence electron. But if the number of valence electron is 3 or more than 3, 3或者是超过3, so the group number will be the number of valence electron plus 10加10下去。So aluminium not group 3, 它不是 group 3，它是 group 13。Silicon not group 4， 它其实要加了另外一个10 group 14、15、16一直加下去。So 如果3或者是超过3 ，you have to plus 10， 要加10给它。So this is where we allocate or where we put the element into the table 啦。这就是讲把元素排进那个表格里面。OK， 这种就叫 group， 一条条直直的，就是 group。下一个 period。什么叫 period 呢？The horizontal row 横的 row， 1 row、2 row、3 row、4 row， 这种就叫 row。Horizontal row in the periodic table， 抄一下。OK， 那 period 7 period， 1、2、3、4、5、6、7. Or maybe you want to ask, how about these two? These two actually they come from the period 6 and 7 because too many elements, no place 没有位了，把它拉出来，不重要的，不要管它。So 7 period. So what is mean by period? 什么叫 period 呢 ？Copy. Or where's the element should be put inside what period? 要把那些元素放在什么 period 呢 ？Okay, copy first. The period number equal to the number of shell filled by electron， 就是那粒元素到底有多少层的 electron shell， 有多少层的 electron shell 被有多少层的壳，就是多少的 period 啦。Or what's the meaning? Look at example 啦，看它的 example。Okay, lithium's electron arrangement 2.1. Okay. And now magnesium 2.8.2, potassium 2.8.8.1. So the number of shells which are filled with the electrons, 有多少的 electron shell 呢？ Lithium is 2 layer shell, 2层的 shell. Magnesium 3 layer, 有3层。And potassium 4 layer, 对不对？有4层的 shell. So what's mean by period? 什么叫 period? The number of electron shell, the number of occupied electron shell 被占领的 electron shell 有多少层 ？So lithium 2 electron shell, so it will be 2 period number 2, period number 3, period number 4. Understand? Not understand? Pull back the video 啦，把它拉回去再听，然后停下来想一下就 OK 了。So this is what we call period. So next, so position of the element in the periodic table, like the position of element in the periodic table can determine by what? Okay, you copy the red color, 你要抄这个红色的啊。By looking at the number of valence electrons, okay, valence electron 决定它的 group. And also the number of shells filled with the electron for each element. The number of shells, okay, 决定它的 period. So when you're having the group, when you're having the period, 有 group 有 period, you know where are you 了，你就知道你的位置在哪里了。Okay, copy the red color, 抄那个红色的。 等你一下。不过拍 video 不用等的，你 pause 一下就可以了，慢慢抄。OK，so the best result 最好呢用 computer 看这个 video。computer 你一压 space 它就停了，通常啦 video player 你压 space 它就 pause 一下，然后你就抄，再 space 一下再抄。用 handphone 呢小小啦，小孩子看得到啦，我就看不到。sorry， 我看得到，因为我也一点都没有老啊，没有老花。OK，so look at example. Sodium element having the proton number 11. So when somebody tell you the proton number, or if you having the table 就有那个，如果你有拿到 periodic table， 你知道它的 proton number, you should know where is the element in the table 啦。OK，so sodium element having the proton number 11, so the electron arrangement 2.8.1 2.8.1 OK，so point 1 group 1 点1就是 group 1。1, 2, 3 3 layer of occupied electron shell 3层的 occupied electron shell, so it will be period number 3。这个也是，如果没有错也是要抄的。So video 的 lesson sometimes it will be shorter， 它会比较短，可能是10分钟。But if you look at the video and you copy your answer， 你慢慢抄、慢慢想、慢慢整理的时候 ，it maybe take you 30 minutes。它可能看完的时候啊，10分钟的 video 变成30分钟。OK。So any example， carbon 碳十 ，OK。proton number 6， 它的 proton number 是6。So electron arrangement 2.4 2.4 So group 14， 超过3要加10。period number 2， 对吧 ？Oxygen 2.6 2.6 group 16 period number 2， 这样子排啦 ，OK。Or if you not believe， 就你不相信 ，I show you 啦。Where is oxygen？ 氧气在哪里呢 ？OK。So oxygen group number 16 1 2 13 14 15 16 group number 16 period number 2 group number 16 period 1 2 period 是2罢了 group number 16 period number 2 OK set another title how we arrange the element into the table by using the electron arrangement. Bye bye, thank you.